All right, we got Kiwi Swiss making its way down perfectly. You can see that if we go back to this 4 hour, I drew this out and could not get better than this. I drew it out absolutely perfect. You can see, price came down. I wanted to retest this area, which it did. It created, it printed lower highs. You can see all these wicks are a little bit lower than these ones previous to this zone, so it just respected this zone absolutely perfectly. And then, broke this level here, this 5300 level, and then retested a tiny bit, and then boom, straight through. So don't know what this area was, but yeah, this doesn't get better than this guy. So this was like, I think this was last week, so last Thursday this set up. I haven't updated it since, so price way below this 1 hour moving average here, way below the 4 hour moving average as well, and then way below the daily. So this is super bearish. I missed my entry, but I am shorting other Swiss pairs right now. The target is still 51.7 for the month, so that's what we're hoping for. You can see it is coming into a little bit of resistance as we speak on this daily, which I want to see. No, there's no whole level there, so that's good. And then so you just got a little bit of daily resistance here, but it did make a lower low here with this nice bearish engulfing candle on this 4 hour time frame. And you do have this area of liquidity on the 4 hour time frame as well, so price might just come up, retest this area, and then come back further, something like this. Oops. Something like this, and then boom, straight down. But we'll have to see, because there is some support here. But as of these massive bearish candles, I think we're pretty good. If you look at these candles, they're kind of just basic pullback candles, and they're pretty significant, I think. And you can see even today made a much lower low than yesterday's previous, so this is telling me it still wants to go lower, and it will break lower. So waiting for that. I think this is a good entry though. If price comes up to this area, you could short it here. I think you got a bit of a whole number here, so I'm going to draw this out. It's a 52.50. So yeah, let price come back up to 52.5, reject, and then you're looking for your short position all the way to 51.7, which is our monthly range. Do you think it can do that? I'm short on all these Swiss pairs overall, so I think it's definitely possible. All the price action still looks great. Every single time frame price is below the moving average. I think it's even on the 15 it's starting to retest, but should be just fine. Like I said, you can grab an entry up here if you want at 52.5 if price comes back up. If you're not using stops or anything, you're just bearish long term like I am, you're welcome to take a short now. I think would be just fine. And yeah, really like these Swiss pairs, especially because they just trend so well and they all correlate really well. So basically, you just figure out what they're all doing, and then you're good to go to take positions on all of them. You just kind of find your entries as you go. If one becomes like if NZD Swiss here starts pulling up, then you get a better price. Then you can enter a short at a little bit higher if you want, and then maybe take profits on your other Swiss pairs if they've moved down quite a bit. But I actually do think this Kiwi Swiss pair has moved the most out of all the Swiss pairs recently, so this might be due for a bit of a pullback at some point. But as far as this price action is concerned, I mean, it looks like it's still just headed directly to 51.7. No issues here with that. This is an all-time low, I do believe. Yeah, it has never been lower than this, so you're busting new lows. There is this little wick here on the monthly, which so as of right now, present day, the lowest that price has ever touched, other than this month now, but previously was back in March of 2020. the lowest wick hit basically 53 even. So, and right now it's sitting at 52.41. So this is the lowest it's ever been. So we'll see how this month closes. I do believe that it's going to close very similar to how it is now, and we will set in a new monthly low, a monthly close for Kiwi Swiss, and then I mean that's just going to open it up for more and more low positions month by month, unless something dramatically changes. But that's what I'm looking to take advantage of, is just making new lows and really pushing this lower and lower and shorting it every liquidity area I get, here, here, here. So that is what I'm doing for Kiwi Swiss.